Today's guest is the one who helps people smile better. Dr. Ashish Jain. He blends deep clinical expertise with modern technology and artificial intelligence driven dentistry. What makes his journey inspiring is how he has adopted digital dentistry, precision tools, and AI assisted workflows early in his career and has treated thousands of complex cases successfully.
In this podcast, we'll try to decode how artificial intelligence is helping dentistry. Welcome to the podcast, Ashish. Is AI still in the books or is it already being used today?
No, AI is no longer something which you read about in the book. It is being used every day in our dental practice.
Okay.
Now, if you see in our diagnosis to treatment planning, the AI is integrated so much that it has given comfort to the patient. The time has decreased, the planning has improved, and predictability has become far better than how it used to be.
Wow. What is the coolest AI gadget used in dental care?
There are a lot of AI gadgets which are my favorites, like AI with digital X-rays, CVCTs. But my personal favorite right now is the intraoral scanner. It's a handheld device with which we can just scan the teeth and gums, and we get a 3D model of the same.
Wow.
Now with this 3D model, we can make complete analysis, and let's dive deeper into this, as we move with our podcast.
We ignore teeth when there is no pain. How is AI helping detect the hidden problems?
Good question, Kirtana. So in previous time, if you see, I used to tell patient that, boss, you have got a cavity. Now patient will be like thinking that it might be a small cavity.
Right.
And in my sense that it is a big cavity, boss, it need to be treated right now. But with the help of AI now when I show the patient to it, see, this is the tooth and there is a cavity, and now we both are on the same page.
Right.
Now patient feel that it need to be treated urgently. So it has made an awareness in the patient mind that the decay what is there, it need to be addressed. Plus what we have is NIRI. So NIRI is a tool which utilizes infrared rays, and with that it detects the caries. Sometimes the caries is there in the enamel layer. Okay, so which we cannot see with the naked eye. So now with the help of NIRI, it can detect the caries which is hidden, and definitely helping us out even where these kind of caries go undetected.
Okay. Ashish, this scares me a lot. Every dental visit is associated with fear and anxiety. How is AI solving that problem?
So if you see, Kirtana, in previous time, you used to take measurement for the cap. Now it used to be a very tedious process involving these kind of trays, and we used to fill the material clay-like thing, and we used to place in the patient mouth. Sometimes patient used to have gag and used to be very uncomfortable.
Okay.
I can understand. But now if you see, AI has completely evolved, and we just use these kind of scanners.
Okay.
And it captures that image just like a photo.
Wow.
And we get a 3D print over here, where you can see the details are very fine, and the crowns what we get are more precise than how it used to be. Now the best part over here is, before I have got a cap from the lab, I can see it virtually how they have made it, what is the shape, size, whether is it improving the smile of the patient, what's the requirement of the patient, and everything I have it under my control now.
Okay. Wow, that's great. So the pain part is done. Now let's talk about the beautiful thing in everyone's life, the smile. Can AI make it look any better?
Yes, definitely. That's the best part about it.
Wow.
Smile designing. So as we have seen that we have taken a 3D print of the patient, and now if you see, this is before we start the treatment. This is the print before, and this is the print after, like how the patient teeth will move. We can just see step by steps, and how what all movement will be there, how much space will be required. Everything can be calculated even before we have begin the treatment. So
Wow.
basically it's helping us a lot in the treatment planning. And from the patient perspective, patient can see this is the outcome, what they are expecting. So how their teeth will look like once they have aligned. And the next best part about AI is the in-face visualization.
Okay.
Now if you see this, you can see the patient face once the treatment is done. And a lot of patients do ask me once the alignment is done, how my face will look like or the teeth will look like. The answer is over here, right in front of us.
Wonderful. Is artificial intelligence helping to treat children as well?
Yes. So see, Kirtana, before we used to start braces and the teeth alignment from the age of 13 typically. But now that's not the case anymore. Now we are more into the era of interceptive dentistry.
Okay.
We intercept where the problem has just started to begin. Now if we get into deeper this and we try to understand once the children has crossed 12 or 13-year-old, so the bones are all fused. Okay. And the bone development has completed typically at that. So that is where we have started with the help of AI, and we have started treating children at the age of 6 now, where if we see the bones have not fused, the palate is not fused, and we can just play by whether the lower jaw or upper jaw, if it is very forward or it is backward, we can correct and intercept at that stage. Now if you see typically this patient where she used to have a thumb sucking habit, now if you see the upper jaw has gone very far compared to the lower one, and you see it has become more of V shape.
Yes.
Typically the upper palate is more of U shape. Now we are planning to intercept over here, and we are planning to expand this and get the teeth back into the arch. And if you see, this is the simulation of how facial simulations are done, and you can see this is the after picture.
Wow, that's really nice. How does AI simplify surgeries and complex dental procedures?
So if you know where we used to place implants before, and we generally, I'll just try to simplify over here, that we have this thickness of bone, and the implant has to go in the center, right in the center. Now this was more of with the clinician experience before, and you can go left, right, or front or back. There's no control.
Okay.
Right. With clinician experience, they used to place it nicely, although, but at this time, now we have guides. Now what is guide is, we just place a template over here, and it allows us to place the implant right into the ideal position.
Wow.
And that's where the AI has come, and it has simplified implant dentistry as well.
So artificial intelligence uses the knowledge and also data-driven decisions. Can AI replace dentists?
No, I don't think so. AI can ever replace dentists or doctors as well. Because see, a treatment is a multidisciplinary approach. You cannot have one parameter, and you cannot have a 0 and 1.
Right.
Where there are conditions where a dentist will see that a decision, if taken, might not do good. So we may not go for that plan. And it is not possible really for the AI to come and palpate the muscles and just see physically. It can just drive data and process it and give us an answer which are feeded already. It cannot apply its mind and provide the information what is best suited to the patient in terms of every field.
Perfect. What is the future of artificial intelligence in dentistry?
I think it will play a very important role in the dentistry, as we have seen with the digital simulations and getting more and more accurate every day. And you can literally see people smile videos from before and after, coming so accurate. Not only this, I think with the surgical aspects as well, the things are becoming more predictable, and every day it's becoming a learning for us as well, where we have to upgrade every day to the new upcoming upgrades what are there.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your time, Ashish. Now we all know where to get through to get a smile back without a pain. Dental excellence it is. Thank you so much for your time, Ashish.
Thank you, Kirtana.